Yo, bless up fantasy world. We're there. Zin. And today we're talking about there's some fake things, you understand what I mean? Like, I talk about, you know, like how you have fake Jamaican, you know, you understand? But not fake Jamaican. You understand? Anybody who out there is faking Jamaican, you don't understand what Jamaican is. The Jamaican is basically a man will just really appreciate what him is. Because remember, you know, not all our history is pretty, you know. Some people just want the glamour of the thing. And some people don't want the reality of the thing. So, if you don't want the reality of the thing out there, people, yeah? If you don't want the reality, I don't understand. Who would want to eat a fake apple over a real apple? You understand? But it's so the world set. Because look, in the world now, you have fake apple in it. You have fake apple. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man will fake the apple, and man will still eat it. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? So everything in life have its fake version. You understand? But not fake. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Worse, but not fake Jamaican. There's so much suffering Jamaican in Jamaica that if a man want a Jamaican to say something or do something, you don't have to get somebody to act like a Jamaican. This ain't no cool runnings. You understand? Now come tell me about no cool runnings. You understand? Oh, come out here look like Bob Marley with big locks by your head. You understand what I mean? A fair skin like say, oh, yeah, Bob Marley. And don't eat like the man, drink like the man, I praise Rastafari as God like the man. You understand? The man says Selassie is God. You understand what I mean? People don't want to hear say Bob Marley say that. I know me say that. Go look up what Bob Marley say. You understand? Of course, you don't know say we Messiah, we Lord, we King, and we Almighty. You know the thing set. Yeah? But because I try to show you what the trendsetters before us say. And they learn the thing from Martin Plano, the real Naya Bingi them, the real thing. You understand what I mean? People want we to stop bonfire upon Babylon. A foolishness that Rasta now stop bonfire upon Babylon, Bridget. See? If any day when we stop bonfire, that means I'm not capable of doing wrong myself. The fire is for the purification of the spirit, like what Captain said. It's not an actual physical fire. You understand? But the point is about so much fake Jamaican in the world. Right now, I just go and listen to some music, just I enjoy some music. I mean, even listen to too much, because you don't know. You understand? Fantasy world roll like a radio. You understand what I mean, yeah? So play any music in the background. Music always I play. I always listen to music. I when I go to my bed, you understand? I'm going to tell myself to turn off this music. I the real thing. I love music all when I sleep. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? You know, I love it. That's what you call a musician. Somebody who love it. All when I sleep, I love it. It make me sleep better. But you know, too much fake things, brethren. Especially this fake Jamaican thing. I can't take it a bumper clot. You understand? I can't take it a mama bumper ass clot. Excuse my language, people, because some Peter Tosh spirit wake up in my car. If Peter Tosh was here right now, this is joke. Show the people them fake. The people them wait until full great leader them must legalize the herb, die and gone. Now they legalizing the grade. Who they think they pleasing? You understand? Because we not please for ourselves anyway. We do what we want to do with herb. We business bound Allah. You understand what I mean, eh? Straight, because it's herb. You understand what I mean? It's not drugs. But yet still, people love the fake things. Let me show you how people stay. Then we take coke and crack and this and that and powder we have to process 1 million times. But just like a plant will come out it is, grow from a seed, grow into a plant, and you dry out. You use it, ingest it, take it in, however you want to take it in. And it'll show you the world fake, the world makes cigarette. A cigarette, you know. So what them I try imitate when they make a cigarette? Not spliff. I'm just try to show you that fake things are really good. You understand what I mean? Real Jamaican, authentic, what we call authentic Jamaican is a person we can respect them history and them culture and them roots for what it is. You understand what I'm saying? I know somebody will overly sound Jamaican. You understand? Because there are many different sounding accents in Jamaica. If you come from town, you talk with more twang, man. And if you come from country, if you come from country, what you say? Man, right now, a bush me come from it out. And so when them talk and choppy when them a chat with them word, you know, my youth. Yeah? So you see it? It's just different accents and different things. And everybody think Jamaica, they think just one Jamaican sound. But when you go to US, Canada, Britain, any one of them places there, you have the typical sound in American, and you kind of go, you have the typical sound in British person, but whatever, you have actually different accents, different sounding of the people. You understand what I'm saying? Everybody not just sound the same. You understand? What you call stereotype, you understand? But too much, what some people call over on this side of the world, they call them Jamaican. Too much fake. You understand? Everything. I'm not talking about just Jamaican. Whole heap of fake things all over the world. You understand? Fake shoes, fake food, fake clothes, everything fake. You understand? All religion, everything fake. All politics, everything. The fakeness run through every fiber of society now. All entertainment, all music. You know what I mean? Everything becomes so... You understand? Fake. You know what I mean? Like fake are the word. You understand what I'm saying? We grew up in the 90s where it was all about just rocking what you have. You understand? Be happy with what you got. You understand what I mean? You put your fashion together. You do what you do. But now, if man now wear a one like a Prada, him now wear like a fucking... What that? If him now wear some Gucci or some shit, some branded shit, is like it's a problem. The place has come so fake where man watching what you wear rather than what you bring come to the table as, you know what I mean, as a person, you know? Just look at the thing like, say, boy, I just one way the thing, you know what I mean? But too much fakeness, man. Fake politician, everything, you understand what I mean? Because right now the world in a state of disaster because of all the fake politicians are right across over the world. You understand? Because wherever I go in the world, I find some good people is there. You understand what I mean? It's just the fake one them that just mash up the thing, man. Mash up the thing, Bridget. Fake. You understand? Because if a Bridget tell you say I like you for such and such a reason, how is a real Bridget? Because him could have been fake and I tell you, say I like that thing about you understand? So a lot of people fake nowadays because they can't even take the real. Can't take the real. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? You know, some people say the truth will set you free. Right now the truth will get you murdered. You understand, Bridget? Murdered. How the world I run right now, people hardly talk truth. So whenever you talk to people, they're gonna think he's fake. Because everything is so fake. You can get a fake anything in the world right now, blood. Yo, you can get anything fake right now, Bridget. You understand what I'm saying? Yo, fantasy world. I'm gonna put radio up on the end now because I'm a person who like talk. So hear this. You don't even have to watch my video. You understand what I mean? Just leave me on and just let me play. Just like radio. You understand what I mean, yeah? So, me I just a visual radio, you know what I mean? I saw me set my thing. Anyway, you hear that after this, I'm me kinda. A visual radio. You understand? If you choose to look on the person who is talking, you can get the broadcaster or him look when him a chat. And you can just listen to what me a chat about. Because I know me a chat about fake. You understand what I mean, yeah? And too much fake things. Too much real talented Jamaican out there for we have fake Jamaicans running around. But no. The whole I know have more from yourself. You understand what I mean? If you don't come enhance the culture, I want to move. You understand? There's a vulture if you don't enhance the culture, right? You understand? The place been pirated over and over again. Over and over again. Anybody who go in there, just really just love the culture in it. And you get the fullness, you get the goodness out of it. You don't just go there for to market your stuff. You understand? I eat that thing that... You understand what I'm saying? An authentic Jamaican will always see somebody who just come about the money. Always, you know. You understand what I mean? And if anyhow, these fake people are going like say, well then them fakeness are going to hold up for long. I'm going to start name drop after a while. When I leave in the comments, yeah? Above if you know what I mean, drop some rascal name. You understand what I mean? And you can drop name of any culture vulture you want to think of. And we can talk it out. Because we're not going to just accuse one over nothing, you know. You understand? But if we see, say, then just take and leave, then they are vulture, my brother. If they come, they inherit stuff and stay, you know what I mean, over time to really get a true understanding of the place, respect and honor to you. You understand? You're actually a person who treasure the culture like I do. You understand what I mean? Because it's not just music. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? The music was born from our culture. You understand? Someone have to appreciate the culture. You understand what I mean? And the music at the same time is better that way. Because what better than if he's a meat man, nyamming piece of jerk chicken and listening to some reggae. Or if he's a ital man, you understand? Walking up to ital and listening to some reggae music. You understand what I say? Everybody across the world like drinking a red stripe, you know what I mean? Or drinking a roots wine. So we know where the thing there. You understand what I mean, eh? Last thing we need now is a fake Bob Marley or a fake Trey Guevara. We don't need that. We have had it. You understand? We need some original new people. That's why I made there. I chat to you. Some because we just new. You understand? We're the new wave. We just out here. You understand? Nobody not pay I and I nothing. You understand? Other from my own family who me do things with. You understand what I mean? Straight. Nobody out here not pay me nothing for do this. But just do this because I love this. Like what four boy Chronics say, me do this for the love, not for the likes. Big up yourself, Chronics. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Yeah. And big up yourself, Jesse Royal with the Lily of the Valley. May I tell you things, shut! Samurai, big up yourself with your black gold thing. Shut! Come here, try to show you say newness, renewal, you understand? Keep the movement moving. You understand? That's all it is, you know. Samurai say such an important thing. Samurai say, we just pick up the music basically after when the music done sell out and wash down. We pick it up from the 70s when time the man was, when it was about culture rather than capital. It was about making the culture, enhancing the culture itself, raising the feelings of the people rather than how much money you can make off a 2 record. So now people are going to buy the record, so if them feel good enough, you say your record are going to sell good. You understand? So this is a fantasy world radio. I big up the people then. You understand? And I like dropping on the little F. I like dropping on the little FWR on it. You know what I mean? Like the little FWR ring to the thing. You see me? So anybody who thinks a fantasy world radio sound good, because me is a man but I like talk. But guess what? Me never snitch. I mean not an informer. You understand? Me talk the things that I care about. Now the things we're going to get people in a trouble and get them incarcerated and them like a foolishness there. You understand? And enough things happen to me in the street. I've never been a snitch. You understand? And like what Kartel say, like I never do it in my life, I not do it right now for be rich. You understand? Because I never do it. You understand? So I not do it right now for be rich. Big up yourself, said we a teacher. You understand? Because in every action that you make, if people did really appreciate you what you carry to the table, them learn something from you. With any mistake where you make and every success was a lesson to youth. Big up on your book in every university global too. Big up yourself. Gaza camp and Gaza nation. And big up on yourself. You see me Gaza and big up on yourself. You understand what I'm saying? You know? Said time. Big up Gully God. You don't know. Big up your thing Gully God. Thing where you do with Khalid and them thing them like them thing they bridging. You understand? Said time Jamil you don't know. You know? I'm a Quenga you don't know. No go and big up on yourself. You understand? Alka, you get enough tall up yourself, said we, you see me? Yeah, man. And you don't know, you have a big up foundation, said we, man like Bounty Killer did, they said we, you see me? Big up yourself, Bounty. You understand what I say, car? All when me hear some people say Bounty means herb, but I try to show them, say, it's just the man is real, fam. You just have to say what you have to say is real. You understand? Fake people keep things in that they really want to say, and they don't say it. That's fake. I'm not going to be around you and have something to say to you and I say it to you. You understand? That to me is fake. Me's an 80s kid. You understand? Anything when me have to say, me say that. You understand? What you think kill Pac? You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Because the man just like say what he want to say. Big up to yourself, Machiavelli. You understand what I mean, yeah? Because no bullet can stop you. We know that. I wouldn't know about no Tupac now around the place. Icon and legend. You understand? So big up yourself. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't know the radio station there and we're born a fake. You understand what I mean? We just want originals. We don't want 10 artists who sound the same. You understand? If you don't think of the bad out there, don't want to give me some joke here, leave it in the comment section, yeah? About, just name on the list of artists who sounds the same. And then no matter who for record you buy, them sound the same. You understand? And that is lame to me. And then the producer, where a producer man where sound like another man where boss already. And he overly sound like him. You know what I say? Because every man, you know, at the beginning of them career, kind of sound like him influence. But now, man, when you're halfway in your career, you know why you still a sound like the man. You understand? Because you not fool me with that. You understand? Because Cobra is an original Mad Cobra, and we know they sound different from, say, a Buju or a Capleton. And that's why we love 90s artists, because they're very unique. Or a Sanchez. You understand what I say? So, you don't know fantasy world. Remember to leave with the comment and thing, you see me? And help me burn out some fake. Or some fake politician too. You understand what I'm saying? I talk about Brexit and all now, they no exit. You understand? I want to some people, man. I talk about build wall and all now, they no build no wall. You understand what I'm saying? More bridges, man, less walls, you see me? Straight. You understand? What about us? We fear run this a generation, you know, and some of them old People that were power hungry, no want leg off of the power give it. You understand? Babylon said, be a trap for it. You understand? And as soon as we get the power, they want to take you back. Fling you in a cell, least like a thing you do. You understand? So big up on yourself, Fantasy World, if you stick with me, you see me? That one here is a 94 subscriber special. Can't believe I'm almost hit 100. And guess what? Because my thing unique, me love each and every one of my subscribers, you know. Because my thing is very unique. You understand? Like when my man say, oh, so unique. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, so unique. You understand? Oh, so unique. You see me? I saw the thing said. Yeah, so we just big up the whole of the people them out in the yard where I do the thing. Big up all of the social media people them. You don't know. Me always big up my soul flow because you don't know. Big up yourself, slow for. I'm going to say you drop what? TV pan it. Big up yourself, yeah? You understand what I say? I like you live stream them and thing. Some of the time I don't get to leave no comments or nothing, you know, but I always leave my like. You know what I mean? I do always leave my like. Big up yourself, Nightly Fix as well. I always leave my likes on the show. Sometimes I don't get to comment. I'm so busy in my day. I do so much little things. So I'm busy in my day. But I like what you show them, you know what I mean? Sorry, I don't comment sometimes. Sometimes I really want to chat, but so much people comment already, you know what I mean? I just add to the likes and I subscribe to the channel, man. You understand? I support it another way there, so, you know? Big up on yourself. And big up yourself on stage as well. That give me loads of information, you know what I mean? And stuff like that, you know what I mean? And the latest and hottest and them thing there, and I come, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, I come, car. I true that my sister Merciless really drop a video on the 1st of October. And you don't know, so me do a video already where I say, where is Merciless? So big up your rascal self, Merciless, because you don't know, you know. You're the mayor for Clarendon, you know, so you don't know, you know. You understand, you know, Clarendon, you don't know, you know, you're a general, so. You see me, keep aiming for the stars, you see me, because, you know, closer to the stars, closer you go to the stars, the farther it is. So now stop chasing it. You understand? See how the thing say. Big up yourself, dada. Manners. You understand? And the man where rush up the DJ. You understand? Move from that, sir. You understand? Because the DJ enough come to no arm in a Clarendon, you know. You understand? I know say me pen and no play pen, you know, but you don't know. You see me? We are Clarendon and that's how we're born. I will big up DJ. Because DJ done go kill off Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Ninja Man, and the whole of them done a Sting 90 when, or 2000 when. Yo, are the wickedest deadins never say. One man killed 3 people, lyrically. It's mad. You understand? That is history. Because Beanie Man is a legend. Bounty Killer, Ninja Man, and them man is a legend. So when Merciless go there angle him, you know what that put him? In a legendary company. So I know the boy ramp with for DJ. You understand? And see Diesel there come up. You don't know about Diesel? Alright, Diesel, big up yourself anyway, you them me dad. Remember me tell you, big up yourself. Big up on yourself, productive you, car. You see me? Big up on yourself, yeah, man. You wanna give me something to chat about, and my thing is about broadcasting and promoting everything. For free, me do it. You understand what I'm saying? For free. You understand? Cause right now, I don't even know this is sitting up here. So I'm not business about that. I do this cause passion. Cause passion. A passion over fashion, right? Because a passion will make fashion. You see all them words, them kind of all of them words. Every word when I say on that video, yeah, when I say, then copyright. You're straight. You understand? Like L.A. Lewis. Oh, I got lawyers on this shit. L.A. Lewis, big up yourself. Because when I look at youth, yeah, and I drive go town, now I'm big L.A. Lewis, me see, right by the side of the by the side of the motorway. And L.A. Lewis, yeah? Me not lie. You's a legend still, no brother. And if you just print up some only by L.A. Lewis shirt. Because you're the first Jamaican when me ever know do graffiti, brother. Yeah? Me not tell a lie. You's a different kind of legend in it. You're a self-style monster, you're bad. You understand what I mean? Me get some of that there, fever there with me self-style monster. No boy, this your thing. You understand what I mean? And where is Gully Bop? My boy, better bop. No boy, no better than that the one there. I'm at the maddest god. You understand? Maddest god. Big up yourself, Gully Bop, anyway you say, anyway you're there. And big up yourself, Gully Bop, anyway you're there, because I don't know your role. So come, no, man. He's a big fan, you know, man. We're way past something, you know, significant, you know. I don't want to hear about no new crush, about no girl and them sitting there. I want to hear some tough music. You understand? Because they see that tune they wake up with you when the youth I say, life too sweet. If quarrel with people, them the vibes are nice. You understand? Them the vibes are nice. We can dance to them foreign. Them vibes they are foreign. Trust me. It's nice, man. So big up yourself, Gully Bop said we, you know what I mean? You know? don't know. He's a 10-star general around here. You understand? Me no business when nobody have to say, me like my gully back master. From the gully to the money. Come on, man. Who no want from rags to riches? Who no want rags to riches story to tell? When them a broadcaster, them a news reporter, them a do anything media related. Who no want to do that, Bridget? You understand what I mean? So big up to the whole movement. Big up Adonia as well, you know what I mean? For come and, you understand what I'm saying? And Poppy, you know what I mean? Because the two man them always roll like a rasta anyway. Man them always have a certain reverence about them and them things. So big up on the thing. You understand? Big up the unity one on farm and me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it. Cause when you're outside of Jamaica, Jamaica is a liquor place. Remember me tell you. So me and man from TG a friend, me a man from Arnett Garden a friend, me a man from Kingston 12, 13, 14, back to a name wherever. Me and people are bridging from everywhere when they are foreign. You know what I mean? It's a shame that the people inside of Jamaica can't be friends in all the different places and locals. When we are foreign, we are forced to be together because we don't have no choice. We're a minority or so. So it don't really matter if where that the man that come from named Scott's Pass or where this man that come from named Elgin. It don't really matter. You understand? Because you're one Jamaican when you're there, so you get treated like a Jamaican and you get treated like that Caribbean boy or that black man, or if it's a funny way, you get the same funny treatment, and if it's a good way, you get the same good treatment, if you get me just. You understand? So you don't know, big up on yourself out the people. Well tired, you see me, because I'm well tired, I'm not lie. Tired, me I work. You understand? Me I do part-time and all. They look at me I say, you know, say, I'm tired that, Bridget. I'm tired that blurry cage. You know where you say that is? Tired, me tired. You understand? But me have to do this right now, because I have a little sit down time, you know what I mean? Empress in the crib, you understand? Long time she don't hear me and now the screen here, you see me? Because as you know, we have me had a busy summer, yeah, man. Me had a busy summer. You understand what I'm saying? Busy summer, me not lie, busy. That's why I was saying on some of the video them seeing Kabaka Pyramid and Protege and, you know, see enough of the man them. See Chronics and thing and Arbor Rosie by pass by here, so some more go see him to you, see me, come. Want to see what I'm really, I say, live. You understand? And see if him really got what it takes. You understand? Because him got some nice tunes. Some would have liked to hear if him sound nice live too. You understand what I mean? So I'm probably go check that out. And any other roots show where I go on here. Me in that. You understand what I mean? Because remember, you know, my channel a promotional channel. Promote things. You understand what I mean? I'm an artist, musician myself. You understand what I mean? But we not rush growth and progress. So, you know, but we just go and promote everything. What's, you know what I mean, what I care about and what's trending for me in that trending way, but not, whereas it's a over saturation of one. You know, like when time a Kartel thing drop, everybody pan for them channel, oh, Kartel. Alright. If Mrs. Attention will deal with Kartel issue already, I'm going to deal with the second most important thing. Yeah? Which might be Adonia drop something raw, hot, and it run the road. You understand what I say? So some mistake, I'm not going to definitely just depend on the popular thing. So, my 94 subscriber them, like what Bogo would have said, is so unique. It's oh so unique. You understand? I don't know what that I think I Bogle, you know. Because he's a man, Mr. Wacky and them thing, that means I know big dancer, but I like know two moves, so I don't look dry when I dance. You understand what I mean? So you say Bogle, you understand? Rest in power, my brother. You understand? A beer power. A man like Mr. Wacky, you know what I mean? Rest in peace. You understand? You understand? Rest in peace, man. And I just hope say the whole of the dancer them out there just know say you can learn something from Mr. Wacky, because the man they just totally just himself. You understand what I mean? And judgment must like him and them were just box with the man like that. You know what I mean? It's like such a big loss to Jamaican music, and he's a national treasure, you know what I mean? Because the concepts them when come up with mad, you know what I mean? Kind of thing like that, you know what I mean? So big up to the people them said we, you know what I mean? Big up to ding dong on them, you know what I mean? Big up to them, the people, big up on yourself, big up to all of the, you don't know, the promoter them and the DJ them out there, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, DeMarco, you know what I mean? Like a reality show thing where I deal with. Big up yourself, DeMarco and the whole family, you understand? Big up on yourself, you understand what I'm saying? Big up on yourself, you understand what I'm saying? Come out here, you understand? A foreign me there, you see me, nobody feel, so I can't send me some certain thing. I'm just, you understand? Because remember, you know, if you don't give me thing for do, you know, we do it. If a man say, boy, salsa, Rasta, carry this guy on radio station where you're there. A local radio station where we play this. Yeah, I'm gone with it. As long as the thing polished and nice and it ready to go up on radio. Remember radio, you know, so you can't really say nothing too tough, pan. You understand what I say, on certain radio station. You understand what I mean? But if it clean enough, you don't know the thing set. Because you can make any music you want, so you can always make some clean music, send it come. And we send it off, we promote it at England, me there, UK this. You understand, between UK and Jamaica me there, so you don't know me thing set, you see me? Me not hide from nobody, you know, brother. You understand what I mean? Because Jah is my bodyguard, you know. Because remember, you know, Mighty Diamond did say in an old time song, you know, who is going to bodyguard you, Mr. Bodyguard? So, you see me? Me just make love be my bodyguard, you see me? Because I don't hate no one, you know. You understand what I mean? All enough people hate me, you know. Me don't have no time for hate them, you understand? Me don't have the time. If me did have the time, probably me would. I don't have the time for it, nobody. You understand? So, you understand? I'm a 94 subscriber special thing this, and I say, you know what, me I talk for half hour. You understand? And nobody can stop me from talk for half hour. Only Master God. You understand what I mean? And he not stop me. You understand? God ever did a try to show me, say, up the thing there, also. Up the thing there. You understand what I mean? Up like God himself. You understand what I mean, yeah? Nothing more up than that. You understand what I mean? Yeah, man. Up like children were just born and happy if you up there and wake up. Up like that. You understand what I mean? So I just blessing pound now. So I don't know my things, you know. I always say blessing pound now and blessing to the people. You see me? You understand? And big up yourself, Royal General. You understand? You stay with me thing. You understand what I mean? Nobody feels me ever. All of my subscribers, them, they don't know themselves, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. We're not normal people around here, you know. We're ambitious. So you understand? I can't always just did that talk to screen. So people have to know, say, boy, you know, when we have 126 video, they expect people to enjoy them, you know what I mean? And, you know, the things that when we talk about them long lasting. Because I not talk about just current affairs alone. I talk about life, real life and things. And I just tie in real life with entertainment to make the mood light, no? You understand? Because it's like a monotone. I really just talk to myself if there's not a conversation open or a discussion, you understand? So yeah, you know what I mean? Remember I said the conversation was about fake things. So anybody when I really like fake things, whether it's a fake woman, a fake man, a fake dog, a fake cat. You understand? Because all them pug and them thing, them I don't like them thing there. Because I like a fake dog, the dog can't breathe. He can't inhale and exhale properly, that dog, the pug. I'm sorry for the dog. It's fake. You understand? So fake things is abomination, you know. What they call abomination in the holy book, you know. It's fake things. Because the natural things is what you really need. The real things. A real apple, not a GM apple. You understand? A real musician, not a fake one. A real artist, not a card artist. You see what I say? You see what I think there? You understand what I say? You understand? And that's why the world become a little bit kind of satanic away. You understand what I mean? Because people prefer the fake thing. People prefer this pretty thing and they don't have no substance. You understand what I mean? No substance, no feelings, no nothing. Might as well say then go just deal with a robot or something. And that's why man I make robot, you know. You know, fake. You understand? When man can reproduce, why make a robot? So me just there, you know what I mean? I listen to my bridging playlist, you see me? Because you don't know the things set in a fantasy world with things turn up, you know. Me a Jamaican enough. You understand? For the whole of this. You understand what I mean, yeah? So me just have on some other thing in the background make you go and play, because you must learn to expand your horizon sometime. You know, so me just go and listen. And you know, I quite enjoy it, you know. Because Sunday, you know. You understand? Me quite a full joy. You understand? That's Rasta correction and the word enjoy. Because you should never enjoy, really. You should always just want to full that joy. You understand what I mean? There's another word again. Yeah, that if the rest of them not kind it, you understand? Me we kind it, because I not make nobody come take where they're not supposed to take. You understand? You understand what I'm saying, yeah? They only can take what I give them if they have to do with my culture. They can't just come take what them want and gone. You understand what I mean? They have to get given it someone from the culture. They can't just, oh, you can take this and then gone. I don't love the whole thing. If you accept the cow, you have to accept the calf. You understand? I.e., if you accept the woman, you have to accept her mother and her father. You understand? You can't just, oh, yeah, I like the woman, but I don't like who make her. Them things are foolishness. You understand what I mean? You know, and right now, if I did on a fake camera, not no one film, kind of real. You see me? So just big up on yourself, you understand? Because we're not going to give up for real King Selassie. Kings of kings, Lord of all Lord. Over some fake book. Or some fake things we don't know if real. You understand? See, the one of my cousin just text me from Jamaica, asked me, and he must tell me, say, yo, everything good, man. Right now, as we are talking, I try to show you the thing mad. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Cousin a link me, bridging. It just goes to show, so them thing have to be, you know? Sorry about that. Just had to answer the message, you know? So big up on yourself, people, yeah? A whole heap of love, you understand what I say? Over and out, you know, because I gone over half you know? And you don't see how my things set, you see me? So a fantasy world, big up on yourself. You understand that your boy there, the fantasy star, you see me? Big up on yourself. You understand what I mean? Have a good week. You understand? Try and make some of that money. Make the money. Because you know, a whole heap of hungry belly people they about who want really help too, you know, so I have to start out work harder. Never mind for my own family, what I have to look after. You understand? So harder. I got harder, me say. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah? Where you say, Wayne Marshall said, go hard and done. If you go hard, just go hard and done. You understand? But now I like still know when they feature Kartel, not that they true the Kartel, but that's true that you know. And I swear Kartel not even say a word in the song and it's tough. Yo, I basically like limerick and gibberish. Yeah, but that's just show the level of the man thing. You understand what I mean? So big up on yourself out there, you hear that? Social media people, them big up on yourself. A whole lot of out there. The whole the music fraternity. You understand? You know? Big up on yourself. You understand? The whole of the entertainment sector and industry. Big up on yourself here, yeah, so. Big up on your own self. And where is Fabian? Alkaline sound like the real proper sound like me I talk about. Me not talk about no. He that rascal sound like. You swear me I tell you about fake? Yo, bless. Over, out, bless. Up. Nah, trouble nobody. Big up yourself, Fabian, because you make money, also. You feed yourself. Me nah trouble you here, also. Me's a man, yo, me just a try. You know what? Me not try nothing. Me just a go to some of the actual, some of my real personality to it. And you know what? Me feel me funny when they come to taking the make out of people and drawing them out. You understand? I draw you out here. I said, no, don't worry yourself. Just go and do your thing, Fabian. You know, I just call myself. You know, like how him name Alkaline, I call myself neutral. I just come out like a Alkaline part 2 and done, Fabian. I not lie. Yo, me can't tell the difference between you and the man voice, my youth. Yo, or you take, or you kind off the man voice, or you thief off the man voice, brother. It's how the Chinese they make plastic rice and make people near make, brother. You pull the wool over me, yeah, my brother. Trust me. Over, out. You know, so we're not easy when time we come to this thing, you know, we are personality because we on the ball, don't you understand? The ball not depend we are tall. Blessed, yeah? Over and out. Blessed. Manners.